the first episode of Nature with Etta, or NWE. You might notice me from Gus Math, but I'm actually Etta's brother. She is going to start this episode on flowers. So let's get started.
Here's an example of a flower. Do you know where a flower grows? More likely, they are able to grow on tiny bushes, not like on giant trees. That is not very possible. But if you look there are flowers growing on the trees. Why is that possible? Because not all the flowers grow on bushes. Some of them grow on trees because they are born on trees. Like that one. There's like a bud of flowers. Some have like a little flower and others. And some have like many combined on a tiny branch. Who knows why is that like that? None of the flowers are exactly like each other, only if they're the same flowers. Not all flowers have to be on the same tree. They can be on different trees, like those two are two separate trees. They look like they're growing together, but they're not. Do you know why that is true? Because other trees grow on them, and they grow petals which have like seeds on them, so other trees grow by them. If you want to know a little bit more flowers, you should look around my yard, and there's a lot of flowers to spots and colors. There are often many colors of flowers, like this one. This one I found on the floor. That's why it's got a little bit of brown. Brown ones are the ones that are old and rusty. The ones on the bushes and trees, they aren't old or rusty. They're beautiful growing plants. Do you know that leaves give you air? They have these kind of tiny tubes, like if you're using a water hose. They have these tubes that let out air. If there were no trees on Earth, what would we do? There would not be any living creatures on Earth. Some carbon dioxide, which is a bad stuff that comes out of cars, like the fuel, air, and then it releases new, fresh air. Bye-bye, everyone. I'll see you in the second video of Nature with Etta. Please subscribe or like.